Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. Gold-dollar pair fell 0.7% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 3.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Saudi Arabia's crude oil exports rose in September for a fifth month in a row to their highest since January. The Joint Organization Data Initiative said. Britain revised up its estimates for business investment in the second and third quarters of this year after its statistics agency identified an error. Bundesbank President Jens Weidmann publicly contradicted the ECB's official line, warning that the inflation may stay above 2% for some time and that the ECB should avoid any commitment to keeping the money taps open.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Dutch consumer confidence will be released at 0530 GMT, Australia's Commonwealth Bank Services PMI at 2200 GMT, the US existing home sales at 1500 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 1330 GMT, the Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1500 GMT, the US 3-month bill auction at 1630 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.